Hi guys, so this video is going to be about basic React application deployment. So here's my app that I did, and as you can see it's like on the web, like you can share this link and it will be available for others to watch and like check it out. So we will be going through creating a basic React application and then we will deploy it to Netlify. So here, as you can see, it is like ready project. So we will do like this, but just from the beginning. So let's start with creating our app. For that, you want to do like create a new folder, and then you say React deploy, and then you drag and drop it to the VS Code, which we will be using to create our like first React application. So here, like you need to open terminal first, and if you're a beginner to React, I highly recommend you to check this like GitHub repository, which is created by Facebook. Like it's like official website, and there you can find like documentations. So how we create like React app? So we just say npx create React app, and then we will say the name of our application. So let's do that right now. Npx create, but we will be saying React deploy. It might take a while to install and like, get all the files. So let's talk about like what is React in general. So React is a library of JavaScript, and it is like mostly used to create websites like front-end side. And it is used because it's like easy to like structure and easy to create like cool stuff. So here, as you can see, like cool buttons like logo you can get, sign up, and other stuff. And by the way, these are called cards, and this website actually is done by this guy. So when I was in my second year at university, I really like wanted to do something with React. So this guy has like great tutorials, like you can check it out. So here's like applications that I copied, like I did with them, follow along. And if you wanna like if you have time, it's better to follow like while he's doing. So it will be easy to like understand every stuff. Let's see if it installed. Yes, it does take a while. So when like it creates like your application, you want to direct the terminal to your folder, so which you created. So we say like cd react deploy. So let's check it out. As you can see, like it already has installed all the like needed stuff, and now we can go to, oh wait, yeah, it's still installing. So I highly recommend you to check this like website. You can just type into Google like create React app Facebook, and you will find this repository. Yes, it is done. So we go to our folder, which is react-deploy. So as you can see, like we are now in our like project folder, which we just created. So what you want to do is you can check this files out. As you can see, here's like index.js and all the stuff. So to run this thing, you just type npm start. So now it will run our app on the browser. So as you can see, it's running and which is working. So it is like default page by React. You can change it and stuff. So now we will be deploying it to Netlify. So how we can do is you should first create account. So to run this application, like to deploy it, first off we need to run npm run build. So let's create terminal, and here we can say npm run build. So what's the problem? Let me check this out real quick. npm run build. I guess I'm having an issue with my VS Code, so let me fix this real quick. As you can see, I fixed it. So I just have to like reinstall all the stuff. I think there was a problem. So now you have like, when you go to deployment, you have like build folder. So what we're gonna do with this is Netlify, as you know, there are multiple like websites where you can host and deploy your React applications. And one of the best and easiest way is to deploy it to Netlify. So it just requires you to build like build folder, and you will drag and drop, and it will create it for you. It is like quite easy practice for beginners, but once you have like you started to create this backend and other stuff, the best option out there would be Heroku. So I recommend you to check that out too. So let's like let's deploy it. So what we're gonna do is we will drag and drop Sorry, after I finished like deployment, it said like there was a problem. So now we have to do it again. So what I was saying is you have to drag and drop this build folder to here. Oops. Yes. So it is deploying. As you can see, like this website is really fast and it will do it like really quickly. So you can just go to this link and it will open your apps that you wanted to deploy. So that's it.